In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on TradingView. First, open TradingView and load the chart you want to trade. Make sure you're on the symbol and time frame that match your plan. On the chart interface, look for the Trade button. Click it to open the order ticket. This panel is where you'll choose your direction, set your order type, and define your risk parameters. If you see a simulated account, that's fine for practice. The workflow is the same. Next, choose whether you want to sell or buy. Sell places a short or closes a long, while buy opens a long or closes a short depending on your current position. Pick the side that matches your idea. If you're just learning, focus on understanding how the ticket changes as you toggle between the buttons. The labels and estimated costs will update to reflect your selection. Now, let's look at order types. Click Market if you want to execute immediately at the best available price. Market orders prioritize speed over exact price, so they can fill with some slippage. Then click Limit to switch to a limit order. A limit order lets you specify the exact price you're willing to pay or receive, and it will only fill at that price or better. Next, click Stop. A stop order triggers once price reaches a specified level and then becomes active to enter or exit with momentum. Finally, switch back to Limit to prepare a controlled entry, which is a common approach for planning trades in advance. Enter your price in the price field. This is the level where your order will rest. It should align with your analysis, such as a support, resistance, or a level from your strategy. Precision matters here. Double check the decimals and the direction relative to current price. Set your take profit price. This is where the platform will automatically lock in gains if the market moves in your favor. Consider placing it at a realistic target, and remember that modest, consistent targets often help with discipline. Set your stop loss price. This is your protective exit if the trade goes against you. Keep it at a level that invalidates your idea while respecting your risk tolerance. Proper stops are essential. They define your downside before you enter. Review the ticket details for accuracy, then click Buy to place the order, following the example shown. You'll see a confirmation and visual markers on the chart for your entry, take profit, and stop loss. That's it. Your trade is live and managed by your defined levels.